Good morning, Victor and Claire. The truth of the matter is that the matter before the court is a sub judice matter. However, we can give the backgrounder to this matter. And in one of the plenaries of the National Assembly, that is the Senate alleged misconduct against Natasha to be looked into, and that the matter will be looked into by the National Assembly. And beyond that, during the process, on the 4th of March, Senator Natasha Akpoti-Oduaghan ran to the court to stop the Ethics, Privileges and Public Petitions Committee from investigating or from probing into the alleged misconduct. And the court gave an interim order that the National Assembly or the Senate should stop the probe into or the investigation into the alleged misconduct during the plenary. And now, the issues before the court now will be, one, the first one will be, does the court have jurisdiction over this matter in line with section 4 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended? Would the court be relying on section 4, subsection 8 of the Constitution, which gives the court the power or jurisdiction over the legislative process? And at what point does it percolate for the court to have jurisdiction over the matters or proceedings in the National Assembly? These are the issues before the court. And another issue has to do with the issue of contempt. I am aware that section Form 48 of the Federal High Court had been issued, and Form 48 has to do with contempt of court. Could it be true that the order of court, which was issued on the 4th of March, was served on the contemnors, that is the clerk of the Senate, the Senate President, and the chairman of the Ethics, Privileges and Public Petitions? If they were served and Senate went ahead, if they were served on the 5th and Senate went ahead on the 6th to suspend Senator Natasha Akpoti-Oduaghan, it is for the court to decide whether it is contemptuous or not. So these are the issues before the court. As at the time I'm talking to you, all the parties are expected to appear before the court, and if they appear before the court today, the moment they appear, I am aware the issue of jurisdiction of the court will be addressed, and the court will definitely take a stand, because the moment you raise the issue of jurisdiction of the court must address that matter pronto, so that it will have access to be able to adjudicate over the matter. If the court lacks jurisdiction, the court cannot address the matter. But there are plethora of cases on this matter that had been decided in the past. But we are not to go into it, because we are not expected to go into the matter before the court, because the issue is sub judice.